Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for webinars. Whether you are charging for webinar access, premium content or registration fees, Infinitepay.io offers a secure and efficient way to handle your payments. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the payment section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your webinars. Now to set up payment processing, integrate Infinitepay.io with your webinar platform or registration system. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by Infinitepay.io. After that, configure your payment options by linking your webinar business to Infinitepay.io. Set up payment methods such as credit debit cards and adjust your transaction settings to fit your webinar pricing model. Now you need to create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for webinar access through Infinitepay.io. You can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard, monitor payment status, view transaction history and address any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system complies with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your attendees. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for webinars. This platform helps you manage and process payments effectively and securely for your webinar events. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.